Marcopolo Luxury is a decorative finish for indoor use, able to realize prestigious surfaces with a magnificent metallic fine effect for a pleasant and charming ambiance, and for both classic and modern design. The composition, enriched with special pigments, creates surfaces characterized by strong contrasts of brightness, which vary according to the incidence of light. Before finishing with Marcopolo Luxury, it must be applied Decor Fond by roller in 2 coats suitably diluted. It is recommended to use a wool short hair roller to prevent the formation of the orange peel on the surface. Spread a coat of Marcopolo Luxury shade 0938 with a brush evenly. Spread the product with stainless steel trowel when still wet. Before drying, wipe the doormat brush in the desired direction. Once dried, smooth the surface, removing the ridges in excess by stainless steel trowel. Apply a second coat of a lighter color, silver base, covering the entire surface and removing any product in excess. Upon total drying, the characteristic Strie effect will be highlighted.